In this video, we are going to learn how do you create list in HTML language. So let us get started without wasting any time. So firstly, you need to understand how many types of lists do we have. So we have 4 types of list basically. We can have more also, but then we have 4 major types of list. It contains ordered list, unordered list, definition list, and nested list. So firstly, let us understand the ordered list. So for the ordered list, as the name suggests, there is an order, there is a proper sequence in which the list is going to be appeared. So let us start with the ordered list. So ordered list has one attribute. It basically has 2 attributes. One is start attribute and one is the type attribute. So let us start and let us just start coding. So firstly, obviously you're going to start with HTML head and you're going to put the title. So let us put the title as list, right? And let us just write the title close, correct? Now let us just close the head tag as well. Okay, so we are going to put the title as list. Now let us start with the body, because under the body we are going to learn how do we create lists. So let us just write types of lists. So we have how many types of list? 4 major types. Ordered, let me write break rule, and let me write ordered list. Wait, unordered list, nested list, and definition list. You can also call this as a description list. Okay, so it's both ways. Wait, yeah, it's both ways. Okay, so let us just paste. Okay, so we are done with the types of list, the introduction. Now let us start with the, let us put the BG color. So let us put the BG color as lavender maybe, and let us put the text as blue, and we are done for now. And let us put the font size. Okay, so we can put the font size as 8 if it works. So let us put the font size and let us just close the font tag. Okay, so this is basic. If you have not learned the basic, please do, because you need to understand what I did right now. Why do I apply BR? Why I applied this and that? So you need to learn the basic first of HTML. If you have learned the basic, then we can go on to the lists part. Now let us start with the ordered list. So ordered list has 2 attributes, type and start. So we have so many types of ordered list. So let us just create a ordered list. So you're going to start with OL. Okay, you're going to start with OL and you're going to write start. Or let us just say you're going to write the type. For example, I want the type to be A. Okay, so there are many types, A, B, or 1, 2, or Roman numericals. So I'm going to show you major 4 types so that you understand what all types we have. 4 to 5 types I'm going to show you. Okay, so let us say type, and you're going to put the start attribute. For example, I want to start with the B. Okay, so I'm going to write 2, not B. I'm going to write 2. Please remember, whenever you start with a number, not B. You're not going to write B, you're going to write start equals to 2. Okay, now you have put it OL start. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just write list. For example, I want to write apple, I want to write list. We are going to close the list. We are going to write banana. We are going to write, let's not create a bigger one, orange. We are going to write list strawberry. We are going to write list mango. We are going to write list pineapple. We are going to write list kiwi. Okay, so that's how we are going to do. Okay, now let us just take list and we are going to copy this Let's remove this from here and let's just paste it. 1. So list li is a container tag, so you have to close it. In fact, ol is a container tag, so you have to also close ol. Okay. Now you see type, I've put a, but I started from 2. That means it is going to start from b. So b here, c here, d here, e here, f here, G here, H here. Okay, so that's how it is going to work. I'm going to show you. Now let us try another type. Let us try, let us first close OL. So we are going to close OL here, right here. And now let us try maybe another type. So let's try a Roman numerical and let us start from 3. Okay, so it is going to 1, 2, 3, 3 eyes. Okay, and let us just close this OL. Now let us just copy this again and let's paste it again. And I'm going to show you the next type. So this time I'm going to show you a type called the simple type. So let's just say simple. Okay, simple counting, and let us say no start. So it is going to start from 1 only. Okay, if I put no start here, then let's say that we want to go for another type. So another type I'm going to take is going to be your type. Let us take the type, the small lowercase a. Okay, and let us just save this file. Okay, so let us see how it appears. I've opened the Google Chrome browser and see the type it shows. So types of lists, ordered list, unordered list, nested list, definition list. So the first list we started from second. So it shows from B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Oh, did I just make a mistake? Anyways, then the third list and the fourth list. So we have created fourth list altogether. So did I make a mistake in pineapple? Yeah, I did. So let's just remove this mistake from everywhere. Here. So do you see how do you create a list? Did you see that? It's super easy to create an ordered list. Okay, so that's how you create an ordered list. So let us just make some changes here. Font 8 is looking really big, so let's make it 4, and let's give some heading. So for heading, which tag do you use? You use the H1 tag, right? So let's use the H1 tag here, and let's say types of ordered lists. So let us just say I'm going to put H4 here and say type A. Then let's put copy, and you have to close the H1 tag also. You have to close the H4 tag also. So you have to close this. Okay, let's copy. So here I'm going to put type, which one type is I? So type I. Let's copy and let's write here type one. So this is type 1, I guess. Yeah. So this is type 1. Then we have the type as lowercase a. So let us say type lowercase a. Now let us see the list. How does it appear? So see, looks better than before. Oh, didn't I close the H1 tag? Yeah, I did not. So I have to close this. I have to close this. I have to close this. So these are small minute mistakes which we make, and they can impact on your web page. So let's save and let's check. See, now it looks better. So that's how you make ordered lists. Okay, now let us say that I want to create an unordered list, not the ordered one. So how am I going to create? So there is another attribute for the unordered list. Like ordered list, you have an attribute for the unordered list as well. and the attribute is that type again. Type here is not going to be I, A, O. No, it is going to be square, disc or circle. Square, disc or circle. So obviously it's my duty to show you all the types. So let's just show you all the types. So I'm going to copy this same data. Okay. And I'm going to make the changes. So that's how you do smart work. Okay. So you just copy and you write, instead of OL, you write UL. So UL is unordered list. Instead of type A, you write circle, and you just remove the start because there is no attribute like start in the unordered list, because you are going to start from a circle either ways. So let's just close it with the UL tag. Okay. Now let us just copy this. Okay. And let us just paste. So let's just take the type circle with square and let's just change this to disk. This time it's going to be the disk. Okay. Now let's just paste this there, definition list. No, types of unordered list. Let's just change this to types of unordered lists. Type circle. Then let's just copy this. Let's write here type square. And let's just here let's write type disk. Okay. Now just save and let's just refresh. See. So type of unordered list, type circle, the all. So this is a circle and this is a disk. Okay, please remember the difference between a disk and a circle if you are preparing for an exam. So it can create an impact. This is a circle and this is the disk. Okay, so this is the unordered list. So we have done the ordered list. We have also done the unordered list. It's very simple. If you want to create a list, you're going to use the OL or UL tag. You're going to use the LI tag. Do not forget to close these tags. Okay, please remember to close these tags. Otherwise, they're going to impact your whole list. Okay, also if you want to put these headings, so you can take help with my code. Okay, so I'm always there. If you want to approach me, you can approach me through the comments or you can approach me through my mail ID which is on the channel. So I'm always there to help you. Okay, now you are going to talk about the definition list. Let's talk about the definition list. So what is there in the definition list? It's very simple. Trust me on the fact, it's very simple. What is a definition? If I'm defining a particular word, for example, I'm defining a fruit. What is a fruit? It is grown from a plant and the ovule turns into a seed and the ovary turns into the fruit. So you're going to explain the scientific meaning, right? Now, this is a definition of the fruit. If I want to say, give me the definition of computer. So you're going to say it is a device and XYZ, right? So you're going to write the definition. Firstly, you're going to write the name that I'm defining the computer and then you're going to give the definition, right? So for that, you have to use the definition list. For the definition list, we have three major tags. Remember, DL, I repeat, DL, DT and DD. All these, out of these, DL is the container tag, DT is the empty tag and DD is the empty tag as well. So for the DL, that is the definition list, we cannot copy some data. So we are going to start from DL, that is the definition list, DL. See, DL definition list, like UL unordered list, right? So U stands for unordered, L stands for list. Here also D stands for definition and L stands for list, right? Now this is a container tag, the only container tag. Now after DL, you are going to write DT. You're going to write DT. in the DT, you are going to write the definition term. For example, I want to define a bookmark. So let's just write bookmark, and you're going to, no, you don't have to close DT because it is an empty tag. Okay, it is an empty tag. Now we have DD. What is DD? DD is the definition of the word. So what is a bookmark? A bookmark is a saved link to a particular web page. I'm not talking about the physical bookmark. I'm talking about the digital bookmark. Okay. Microsoft Internet Explorer denotes bookmark as favorites. Wait, did I just messed up with the spell? Favorites. Okay, so that's what you're going to write, but remember that you do not have to close this. So you are done, and you just have to close the DL here, and you are done with the definition list. See how simple is it? Isn't it simple? Now, what if I want to add more types of, definition? So you're just going to copy this. Wait. And you're going to paste this. And you can change, for example, I want to write about your cookie. What is an online cookie, right? So what is an online cookie? You can write about the cookie. So let's just write about the cookie here. So a piece of data created by a web server and stored on the user's computer. Okay, so that's a cookie, right? So that's how you are going to make a definition list. Now let's just, give it a heading. There are no types of definition list. There is no type of definition list. Definition list has only this thing called the definition list. No type of definition list. Please remember, no type of definition list. I'm repeating. Like in ordered list and unordered list, you had types. Here you have no type. You just have definition list. Okay, so let's just say definition list. Okay, now let's just save and let's check what is the output. Let's just refresh. See, I have definition of a bookmark and a cookie. Isn't this amazing? So we have also done the definition list. Now let us quickly jump to the nested list. Now I'm not going to tell you how to code about the nested list in this video because it is super easy, but I'm going to tell you what is a nested list. So a list inside a list is a definition list. So nested, basically it's a nest, right? So list inside a list is a definition list. List inside a list is a nested list. And I hope you guys have understood what is a nested list, what is a definition list, what is a, unordered list, ordered list, and it helped you. I guess that it was really informative for you all. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I hope you're going to love it. So see you in the next video where I'm going to teach you how do you link web pages, internal linking and external linking. Also, in furthermore sessions, we are going to create tables using the hypertext markup language. Give me your reviews in the comment box and ask me for your doubts on my mail, which is there on the channel, or you can put your doubts in the comment section. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching the video.